Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having an awesome day. Today we have a lot of stuff going on, and it's gonna be a lot of recording from me. So right now, you guys know, obviously I'm driving in the Cummins right now. We're actually going back to the car wash to rinse the truck off again. Went hunting yesterday, didn't get anything, but the truck got super dirty, so I'm gonna rinse her off. I'm not gonna say, and part of me rinsing it off is for other videos, but first things first, thank you guys for checking out the channel. If you can, please smash that thumbs up button, and also go ahead and just subscribe to the channel. Get it out the way, man. Seriously, like, you know, just get it out the way, just get it done. Subscribe to the channel, double tap that bell notification, or hit that bell notification so that way you get notified every time I put a video up on YouTube. So today's video is part 2 from a video that I did a long time ago that I'm finally getting around to finishing up, okay? It's going to be, you guys ready for this? It's the AMSOIL injector clean versus the everyday diesel treatment. There we go. Hot shot. There we go. It's coming back now. It's still morning. I haven't opened my Monster yet, so if I'm still, you know, trying. It's my caffeine, so you know I don't drink coffee. So, but anyways, yes. So a long time ago we did a fuel mileage comparison with 2 fuel additives. One, I still have one here. One is the Hot Shot Everyday Diesel Treatment. It's a 6-in-1 fuel booster. The other one was the AMSOIL Diesel All-in-One. Now, if you guys that remember watching that video with the Diesel All-in-One, I actually never was able, I had a lot going on at that time. I was moving and everything was just chaotic. I never got to finish doing that video, the review on that. So I went through a full tank. I didn't even remember the mileage. I forgot to even reset my mileage and everything. It was crazy. But yeah, I didn't even get to do that. But if you guys watched the video recently when we got the air dog running, okay, so when that video where the air dog was running and the new pump was on, I stopped at the gas station and I filled up the tank with some AMSOIL injector cleaner, okay, which is equivalent, similar, very, very similar to the AMSOIL Diesel All-in-One. I did log and I did my numbers on that, okay? I have statistics, I have all of the data. We're going to, damn, I guess we're going to the gas station. I just passed the car wash. I gotta go to the gas station anyways. I fill up at Sam's Club. Yes, we're gonna go ahead and compare that information, okay? So I think it'll be good for you guys. You guys know me, I'm a straight shooter. I'm not biased. I'm not, you know, I'm not biased towards one side. I'm unbiased. And, you know, I call it like I see it, you know, and I think it's really good stuff. So you guys let me know what y'all think about the results when we get to the gas station. Other than that, you know, we got multiple mods going on. So if you guys notice me wearing the same shirt in 3 different videos, it's because I'm filming 3 different videos kind of at the same time today. You know, I got time today. I'm off. I'm not working right now, so yeah, I guess I'll do that. Get that out of the way. But the truck, she's been running good since the new lift pump's been on. I've been getting consistent high 20 or low to mid 20 psi fuel pressure. Lately it's been around 23ish. I think once the air dog broke in, like it kind of like cycled in and wore in. I think the pressure went down just a little bit, but it's still really good, no issues. Another disclaimer or clearing up stuff. Some of you guys thought I already installed the new turbo. I have not. I still have not put the S464 turbo on yet. And then also another thing, some of you guys, I guess was under the impression I still had a stock turbo, which I don't. When we do the turbo video, you guys can see it in person, or on video. But no, I do have an aftermarket turbo right now. I have a a Smedden Diesel S467 with a 1.0 AR and a 87 millimeter turbine housing. All right, so some people call it exhaust housing, turbine exhaust housing, whatever. Obviously T4. So yeah, that's what I have. All right, so we're almost at Sam's Club. When I get to Sam's Club, I'm going to put some gas in it. I'm going to data log right now all of the information, and we're going to go ahead and knock out the review. All right, you guys. So we're here. So I was doing number crunching. Okay, so check it out. First time we did this video, we did, if it'll focus. All right, you guys can see we filled up here at Sam's Club with the hot shot back on June 12th of this year. I put 29 gallons, almost 29 and a half gallons in. We added 2 ounces of this. So the way it works is you add 1 ounce for regular fill-ups, and then for performance, I guess, you put 2 ounces. I did 2 ounces to get benefit of doubt. With that, we got 442 miles to the tank, averaging 15.3 miles per gallon, or 15 miles a gallon. All right, 15.03. That was with hot shot. Okay, this one is the fill-up I did last week with AMSOIL. The AMSOIL Diesel Clean, and I got it pulled up on my phone too. The AMSOIL Diesel Clean plus CETANE boost, 8 fluid ounces. Last week on September 4th, I put in 32, almost 33 gallons of diesel. We got 466 miles on a tank, and we averaged 14.2 miles to the gallon. Now, if you're curious on how do you do the math, it's super basic. All you do is you take your mileage, or you take your mileage. So we do 466 point. One second, let me get this out of the way. 466.1 was it? 9.9. Divide that by how many gallons? So 32.91, and we get an average of 14.1 miles per gallon. I don't know why I put 14.2. Oh, it's because I rounded that 8 to the point doesn't really matter. Now, what type of driving have we been doing? I've been doing a lot of city driving, and this really right here has been a split between city and highway. At highway, averaging about 55, 65 miles an hour. You can't really go 80 where I live at. It's country town. A lot of city, and then in a mix of highway. Actually, I would say 60 city, 40 highway. Back here when we did the hot shot, it was pretty much the same. Actually, it was about 60% city, stop and go traffic, 40% on the highway. Tunes, I ran this on tune 5, and I want to say I ran this on tune 4. That might be the only thing that can be a variable in terms of this review, but I think I can't honestly remember, so we can't really use that. But still, all right. So right now, AMSOIL 14 got beat by hot shot by 1 mile per gallon. Now here's the thing, people. You guys know I still have this bottle too. You guys know I'm a AMSOIL dude. I like AMSOIL. I run it, and I will continue to run it. I will use that bottle. I will finish this bottle of hot shot because I paid for it, and I'm gonna use it. But the numbers don't lie. If it's a good product, it's a good product. Do I think hot shot is cheap or knockoff? No, I don't. I think this is good stuff. I honestly was not expecting this, but they were based out of Ohio, American, made in the USA. They did good. They did good, man. I like it. Would I recommend this to you guys? Yes, I would recommend this to you. Would I recommend AMSOIL to you? Absolutely, I would recommend AMSOIL to you. You guys already know who to go to if you need AMSOIL. But I got to give my hat off. Now, here is the biggest thing that sticks out to me when I see these numbers. When I see these numbers, the biggest thing, it just got dark. The biggest thing that's sticking out to me is that the amount you have to add. So when I did the AMSOIL Diesel Clean CETANE Boost, I added the entire 8 fluid ounce bottle. Okay, that's 8 fluid ounces. Hot shot only requires you to do 2 ounces if you want a performance dose. If you want a premium dose, do 1 ounce. That is the biggest thing that sticks out to me, is the quantity of additive you are adding. So what that means is, from this standpoint, you would probably get more bang for your buck utilizing the everyday diesel treatment, just because it goes longer. It says it can treat up to 400 gallons. That's how I view it. It is what it is. Honestly, I think it's pretty awesome. I like doing stuff like this for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy videos like this where we're testing stuff out. We got more testing coming out too within the near future. But let me know what y'all think. I'm about to fill up now, and put some fuel in her. But that is where we stand at on this video. All right, like I said, 100% unbiased. If I was, you know, if I gave a crap, or if I wanted to bash Hot Shot, I could have easily fudged the numbers or made it to where AMSOIL somehow pulled off the win. Now, if you're wondering why do you have more miles on your AMSOIL fill up than you do on your Hot Shot, it's because I added more fuel. Right now, I can show you guys too. I have, and this is the last time I'm doing this because I wanted to do it for the video. I have just a little under, I got an eighth of a tank, exactly. That's just where I was when I filled up with Hot Shot. All right, when I filled up. Oh, and also you guys can see it too up here. I forgot. If you guys want to see the mileage, 466. That's just what I wrote down for you guys. Yeah. So let me know, comment down below what you think about this testing. Comment, you know, constructive criticism if there's something I could have done better to make the video, to make it more, I don't know, realistic or something. Let me know what you guys think. I really would like to hear your opinions and your thoughts on it. But like always, thank you guys so much for sticking it out to the end of the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below of what you feel about this video. And then also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for the next couple videos. They're going to be awesome. I think you guys are really going to enjoy them, all right? Until next time, you guys take it easy. Be safe, and I'll see y'all later.